In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Microsoft Excel subscription. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, manage data more effectively, or simply get access to this powerful spreadsheet tool, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, let's head over to your web browser and type in Microsoft365.com. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page of Microsoft 365. Now you're going to look for the option that says Get Microsoft 365 and click on it. This will take you to a page where you'll explore the various plans that Microsoft offers, each bundled with different features to suit a variety of needs. Microsoft Excel is thankfully included in all these plans, so you can focus more on selecting a plan that matches both your personal or business needs. Now that you're at the plan selection page, it's time to choose a plan that best fits your requirements. Whether it's for personal use or business purposes, you're bound to find something that's perfect for you. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to create one. It only takes a few minutes, and all you need is an active email address. Having this account not only gives you access to Microsoft 365, but also to an entire ecosystem of Microsoft services, making it an indispensable tool for both work and personal projects. With your Microsoft account details ready and signed in, you can now proceed to the payment section. Here you'll be asked to enter your payment information. You can use various payment methods such as credit or debit cards, and sometimes even PayPal, depending on your region. Double check to make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any issues. Once your payment information is set, you'll be asked to complete your purchase. Before you do, it's a good idea to review your order summary to ensure everything looks correct. You should see a breakdown of what you will be charged and any billing cycles involved, be it monthly or annually. Choose which suits your financial planning best. Upon confirming the purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email from Microsoft to the address associated with your account. This email will have all the details regarding your purchase and, importantly, how to download and install Microsoft Excel, among other apps included in your plan. And that's it! You're all set to dive into the world of Microsoft Excel and begin exploring its powerful features. With these steps, purchasing a Microsoft Excel subscription is straightforward and hassle-free. Happy excelling!